Hi, Michael Thibault here with this week's edition of Mike's Marketing Minutes, done for you marketing systems. How are you doing this week? I'm very excited because I want to talk to you about one of the most powerful marketing techniques, strategies, and promotions that any brick and mortar business can do. So if you got customers and you got a business that they come into, this promotion is for you. It's one of the number one ways to get your customers back in quicker, spending more money. And the thing I love about this technique is it's very inexpensive and it's almost guaranteed to get open, to get recognized, which we know is half the battle because sending emails aren't as effective as what they used to be, right? I mean, the average person gets over 160 emails every day and you're just in their inbox with all these other emails. And how do you get yours open, right? This is like guaranteed delivery to your best customers. What is it? It's called a bounce back, okay? A bounce back promotion. So let me explain to you real quick what this is. There's all different types of bounce backs that you can do, but basically you're giving something to your existing customers to get them to come back at a specific period of time. Now that's key because you want to make sure that they have a deadline because that's what drives them into action. So in other words, you want to have an expiry date. So you might give them something in the month of September to bring back in October, or something like our no peaking where you pass out in December when you know you're busy, that they bring back in January when you know you're slow. So that's a bounce back promotion. And I love it because you know you're getting it to the hands of your best customers, the ones who already know, love you, you have that relationship with, and they give you money. So a bounce back promotion is super effective and it's also inexpensive because if you hand them out in your store or your restaurant or your auto repair shop, you don't have to pay for postage because you're giving it right to the person. So you know they're getting it, guaranteed delivery. I love that. Now, we have a done-for-you promotion for you for the month of October that we're doing right now. It's our Halloween scratch-off. So this is the front of the postcard, what it looks like. You can see there's a gold sticker in the middle of the postcard. So there'll be an actual scratch-off sticker on top of it. And there's a prize from your restaurant, your business, your auto repair shop, whatever it is. So you pass these out to your customers now in September and October, and they have to bring it back before Halloween. Okay, so there's that sense of urgency. And they know they're gonna be a guaranteed winner. So that's why we put, for example, your restaurant's $10,000 Halloween giveaway. So this works really, really well. And you can tell it's a very fun, very cool design. So it's a postcard with a scratch-off sticker with prizes from your business. This is a bounce back, okay? So it's a good lesson that uses slipstream marketing because it's Halloween, right? So if you do something and you theme it with the month for the promotion, you get that much more. It's like supercharging that promotion because it's what's top of mind with your customers already, all right? And this is what the back looks like, okay? And we custom design for your individual business using your logo and the name of your restaurant and obviously your prizes. But check out what your prizes could be in your Magic Pumpkin, and you list different prizes. So you're enticing them to come in. And what do they do when they come back? They spend more money with you, right? And that's the object of the game. That's what a bounce back is, to get them to bounce back to your business. So make sure you have a great October coming up. We are offering free shipping on this done for you promotion for the month of October, but you need to order before next Friday, September 10th at midnight. That's a drop dead free shipping bonus expiration date. So like you would have an expiration date on your promotion, we have an expiration date on this promotion as well. So make sure you click the button below and order your done for you Halloween scratch off bounce back promotion for your business today. And make sure October is a fantastic month for your business. Have a great day and we'll see you next week.